Okay, today we get to unbox the GeForce RTX 2070 XC Ultra from EVGA. Alright, we have this plastic cover. Okay, simple enough. Some tape here on the side. On both sides there's tape, I miscut. Okay, so now as you see there's a gap in between there. So then the two slide apart. Do this vertically. Two slide apart, and the top it's just packing. And we have the card, of course. Turning it around, we have this package. Okay, in this package we have a nice metal badge for your computer case, I presume. Alright. And then as well we have this DVI or HDMI to DVI. Alright, nice inclusion. Installation guide. Alright, that's all that's in here. We have some more packing. Then we have the card. This is a pretty beefy card. Alright, move this all out of the way. Alright. Electrostatic bag. So we see that has two fans. Alright, now we have this clear body. It's a 3-slot card, so of course at the back we have 3 slots here. So we have our display port, HDMI, display port, and a USB Type-C. Coming around, you guys can see down there, there's 4 heat pipes in there. Alright, you can see there's 5. But moving on. On this side we have a 8-pin and a 6-pin power. Alright. Turning the card over, we have the badging, EVGA GeForce RTX 2070. On the back we have, of course, the back plate. Alright, so that was the unboxing of the RTX 2070 XC Ultra Edition from EVGA.